Hi, my name's Serena and I run our graduate and internship program at Graphcore. Graphcore was founded just over 4 years ago with the vision of designing a chip specifically for artificial intelligence, the Intelligent Processing Unit, or the IPU. Today we're growing fast with over 600 employees and many offices all over the world. For several years now, we've been welcoming graduates and interns at our Bristol headquarters to help them develop their technical and professional skills and learn more about what it's like to work at an AI startup. We also plan to extend the scheme to include placements in Oslo and our other international offices. With the AI sector advancing fast, now is a great time to gain experience in AI and machine learning. In this video, I'll explain how our early careers program works and what it's like to be a graduate or an intern at Graphcore. I'll also give you some hints and tips about applying and provide more details about our recruitment process to help you make a successful application. So what can you expect from a placement at Graphcore? When you arrive, you'll attend onboarding and induction sessions tailored to you to help you get up to speed with life at Graphcore and learn more about the company. Our technical specialists will host knowledge sharing sessions as part of your induction to give you the opportunity to meet new people and build your network. Once in your team, you can expect hands-on experience, training and support from day one, giving you the chance to make a real contribution. We'll also connect you with a buddy, and our talent development team will help you develop your soft skills so you can meet your full potential at Graphcore. There are a few things you should know before you submit your application. Our early careers placements are currently designed for graduates and interns to join our engineering teams. So we encourage students from a STEM background to apply. A typical candidate will be studying maths, electrical or electronic engineering, computer science, physics, software or a similar technical subject. If your application is successful, graduates will start their placements at Graphcore in September and interns will start in July. Graduate schemes are permanent employments and the internship lasts for 10 weeks. Don't be put off if you don't think you're the perfect candidate. We're definitely not looking for experts. What we're really interested in is to hear from students with potential, passion and technical skills who are natural problem solvers. If all this sounds great, here's how to apply. Visit our early careers page to find the right graduate role or internship for you. Read the job description a few times and edit your CV to ensure it aligns with the role you're applying for. Make sure you've highlighted the most relevant skills and how you meet the requirements in the best possible way. Check out our website, graphcore.ai, and social media channels so you can do some research about the company. This is your chance to make a great first impression. We're interested in your technical skills, but we would also like to get to know you a little. In your application, you should strike a good balance between your academic background and extracurricular activities you've been involved in during your studies. This could include being on a committee of a society, sports club, involvement in music, theatre or the arts, or even a placement abroad or a part-time job. For your application, upload your CV and any academic transcripts you have available. Next is the technical assessment. You'll participate in a coding challenge run by HackerRank or a technical interview, sometimes both depending on the role. If you reach the final stage interview, we'll ask you to join us in the Graphcore office. Research as much about the company as you can before arriving and familiarise yourself a little with AI and semiconductors so you can get a better feel for what we do here. It's natural to feel nervous before your interview, but remember that this is a two-way process. It's also a great chance for you to meet our team, find out what it's like to work here and see the office. That's all you need to know about our early careers programs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions I haven't covered here, just drop our team an email. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your application.